Want to make an extra $100 a day online? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or full-time income, I've got you covered. Let's break down 5 legit ways to make money online, starting today. First up, freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding, you can start making money on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Offer small services and charge anywhere from $10 to $100 per project. Do just a few gigs a day and you're hitting that $100 goal. Next, affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are great places to start. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or even TikTok videos linking to your favorite products. Want passive income? Sell digital products like ebooks, templates, printables, or online courses. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable allow you to upload your product and get paid over and over again. Ever heard of dropshipping? It's an easy way to start an e-commerce store without buying inventory up front. Use platforms like Shopify and AliExpress to sell trending products, and suppliers ship them directly to customers. Finally, YouTube. If you create videos that attract views, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours unlock YouTube monetization. Pick a niche, be consistent, and start growing your channel. There you have it, 5 easy ways to make $100 a day online. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-making tips.